first thing you got to do is price the house right. What we have noticed is that the number one absolute most critical thing that you can do is price the house right. No matter what your features are, no matter how nice the house is, no matter what the condition is, it's not going to sell if it's not priced right. So if you guys are working with a realtor, if you're working with someone else that's trying to help you list a house, what they're going to want to do is price that house as high as they possibly can. Look at that and look at the realistic nature of that price. They're trying to get the most that they can, especially if it's an agent. They're trying to get the most commission. You want to make sure that that house is priced right. So look at the comparables of unique comparable houses around where you're located and where the house is that you're trying to sell it. And you want to make sure that you are priced correctly. And when we say comparables, it's houses typically that are, within a mile of where your house is. And it's houses that have sold within the last, 6, maybe at the max 12 months, and even 12 months is a little bit long. So what you want to do, you want to make sure that you have that list of comparable houses, and you want to make sure that yours is actually comparable to that house. And when you have that list, you want to basically pick a price that you know is on par with what buyers are actually paying for those houses. So you're going to look and you're going to see what those houses are going for, and you might want to price it exactly at that to start, or even price it a little bit lower. If your goal is to sell a house as absolute quickly as possible, you want to make sure that it is priced right. I can't stress this enough. Price is the absolute number one critical factor in selling a house quickly.